select ride or race.
Guys, today we got this fine built Busa coming out to play today. We're gonna see if he can't keep up or if he doesn't give me the whooping. But no matter what, we're gonna have some fun. Hope you enjoy the video. Yep. Woo! Little hit. It was a little hit.
Hold on, I'm coming right between y'all.
Can do it right here, there ain't a little gap?
Yeah, there's a nice little gap right here. Y'all good on that side of the road too?
Get it, Randy. Stay out the way though.
Oh, this positive fact when you blew past me.
Got him. Got him. So don't you worry about me.
Yeah, definitely give him a little nice little feel like he's gonna win.
I think he wants it right here.
Give him that. Let me know.
Go.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm. We gotta try and find a good spot to turn around. Those stretches seem... You're spinning? That's crazy. That's crazy. He literally just laid fucking tire. He just laid fucking tire. Just... Worst case, I'm going to be so far ahead it won't matter anyway. Hunter, make sure you stay over to the right as far as you can for real.
Yep, I'll stay on this line. Let me know when you're ready.
Shit, just let him get up in front. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm going to actually give him the hit. Just call it, Randy.
Ready?
Yep. Get over to that right, Randy. I'm gonna take this lane. I was trying to let him get in front of me, but he won't take the couple bike lengths.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead, call it. Got him. Either way, I might loosen this thing and check the.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I guess like right here. Try and get him. There we go. I hit one of these gas stations and loop around. I wanted one more, but you'll definitely be able to see. Trying to see. He's like ready in the zone already. Couldn't remember if this is where we turned around. Isn't this where we turned around?
Yeah, that is where we turned around. There's looks like a straight coming right up. Yeah,
damn.
Straight. Y'all ready?
Like that was.
Yeah, this is good to go after this turn.
Yep. I mean. This is straight. Yep. Definitely not all top end. This bike's just a savage. Alright, man. Hit me up later. So, and that, kids, Mr. 650 Eve is wrong. Wrong. Walked and mopped that thing like it was nothing. Add that to the list of death to the lightweight jockey and the stock Ninja H2. Already seen your ass coming up. Alright, boys. You know, this is going to be my exit up here.
Alright, bro.
It was a good day.
Alright, no.
See you later.
Alright.
That ends a day of racing. Built all-motor Busa. Had a bit of trouble hanging with the 2019 Ninja H2. We're gonna take her home, put her away for today. It's a good day of racing, a good day of fun, and yet still, the Ninja H2 stands victorious. I'm gonna sign off, guys. If you enjoyed the video, click that subscribe button, and let's keep the page growing. I like to bump in and meet as many people as possible and have good races, good riding. We don't just race around, we don't just roll race. We like to do a little bit of everything. I've been saying it for a couple years now. I wanted to be the rider who does a little bit of everything. You want to drag race, I'm with it. You want to roll race, I'm with it. You want to just ride, cruise, I'm with it. Twisties, I'm in there. That's my game. In the meantime, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time,